Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update, number 186 for Monday, 9th of June, 2025. As always, you're very welcome here, but just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading decisions. One stock that isn't making new highs is Tesla. All right, okay, and this is probably a representation of the kind of shenanigans that we've seen going on in American politics for most of this year. Of course, Mr. Trump and Mr. Musk have had a little bit of a falling out. Okay, they've had a lovers' tiff over the last few weekends and stuff. And personally, I think it's probably a very well choreographed. Probably said that wrong. Choreographed sort of pantomime. It's all right, and certainly we can see last week, okay, that having pushed to those highs on Trump's election, we can see that basically we rolled our way over there as he got stuck into his Dojeway. We'd had a little bit of a bounce, as he was saying he was kind of stepping back from it, but you can see the kind of the inaction of them two falling out at the end of last week. I think Thursday, and please correct me if I'm wrong, something like his own personal fortune sort of dipped by about 150 billion, based upon the kind of the severity of the drop from Thursday when it came out about their lovers' tiff. Now, what's $150 billion between pals, but we can see that we had a real strong sell-off there. We've dropped beneath $300 there. Okay, this even the pre-market. Okay, is like another what was that? Another $7 or $8 down from there as well. We've kind of very clearly formed basically a lower high there. So my view is, well, basically, I think we drift our way back to that sort of 200 level. If there is no reconciliation between the pair of them, it drifts back down towards about 260 and the 200 period moving average. If they kiss and love up, and they are like have themselves a nice public sort of kissing contest, well then it shoots back up above $300. That's the way I look at that. Okay, so just watch the news and see how it plays, and that now you have an opportunity to actually sort of to basically to put your money where your mouth is based upon what those pair are up to.